Hello everyone. Hi. This is Nilofer here. I am again back after some long gap as my very beautiful friend called Meghna. She wanted me to talk something on a topic called love. Now, basically, when I asked her, like, what does she want, to be described and what is love? Because love has so many forms and so many concepts and so many views and ideas, and it's a very beautiful word, though it's a four-letter word, love, but lots and lots of meanings to that. So when somebody tells me, talk on love, my first reaction is to know the other person, that what does that person want to really know about love. So her answer was like a normal relationship love. What is love in a relationship. So a love in a relationship is the most purest and the divine thing. People understand love as, I don't know, like there are so many judgmental things about love. People say I don't believe in love. People say लव कुछ होता ही नहीं है. People say यार मैं क्या करूँ, मैं तो लव करती हूँ, सामने वाला नहीं करता है. And you tell somebody I love you, the person says that that person does not believe in love. ये love कुछ होता ही नहीं है. So all the experiences that a person goes through. But basically, if you ask me, love, it's a beautiful thing. If it happens to anybody, anyone on this earth, or any creature at any point of time, it's the most divine thing. Now it lasts, it doesn't last. Everything has its own, concept. It's you can't blame love for it. If a relationship doesn't last, if a relationship breaks, or if any one person just leaves you and go, it's nothing to do with love. It has to do with the consequences. It has to do with the way that that love was nurtured. How was it not nurtured? How did it how did it not go well? So love has nothing to do with the breakups. Love has nothing to do. It's a word which is very pure. People need to understand that when you say to somebody this word love, it carries a very depth. It carries emotions. It carries sentiments. It's like connected with your heart. I can't tell anybody I love you unless and until I get connected with. So it's a very, very high level of connection. So when you say that it is connected, how can you say when it is connected at one point of time you love a person, at another point of time you say there is nothing called love? It can't be that, right? The two contradictory answers cannot be. You can say you hate, but the love does not have a very cruel meaning to it. So I really want to tell everyone, especially Meghna, that love for me is a very wonderful feeling. I have experienced love in my relationships. I have personally gone through a lot of turmoils in a relationships, where I have never said that the word love is a word which is a heartbreaking thing. No, it's not. It's never heartbreaking thing. You can fall in love. First of all, understand, to love someone you have to love yourself, and you can only love somebody when you love yourself. You cannot hate somebody. So first try to indulge in yourself by saying this, that if I look at myself, I say that I love myself, I love my life. I keep my statuses on WhatsApp saying that a lot of my statuses always say I love my life, or I love myself, or I'm very positive about this meaning of love. I always try to send hearts to people. So first try to love yourself. If you try to love yourself, I'm sure the person you are connected with in any relationship is going to be divine. And this relationship has so much, like it's like husband-wife relationship, it's a boyfriend-girlfriend relationship, or many relationships. People have extramarital relationships. So even though, whenever in any relationship, you just have a connect when there is something called love. I physically feel like, even if I'm bonded physically, there is some connect. So that connect for me is love. It's not I can't go physical if I am not in love. So this is my own example I'm telling you. I can only be physical in a relationship also if I am in love. So I can't just say that, because I saw the person. Oh, the person looks so charming, the person is so handsome, the person is a hunk, I fall in love. So if I fall in love, I really like that. Okay, so love is a very beautiful feeling. Love at any point of time, if it happens to you in your life, at any point of time, there is no limit to love. There is no age for love. Absolutely, there is nothing that you can love happens to at any point of time. And when that happens, you have a smile, your face glows, you yourself like it. So I really want to tell all the people who will be watching this, never ever, have a hatred towards this word. Never ever tell anyone that you do not believe in love. Please, I have heard so many people saying this, I do not believe in love. No. Your own creation is because your parents loved themselves, and that is why they created you. So it is all because of, at any point of time, it was because of love. At any point of time, it was because of connections. The consequences may differ. But that does not stop you from saying that love is something cruel. Love can never be cruel. The word cannot itself be cruel. Respect it. If you have in your life, please hold it very close to your heart. Keep it to your soul. All are not blessed with it. Or even if you are blessed with it, people don't understand the value of it. Many a times you lose something, you lose so much of the best beloved things in your life, and you get tears in your eyes. You always, feel like I was in love with my father. I can say that, but now I lost him. But I have always been in love with him. I always talk to him. I always been in love with him till eternity. So it is still that connect that I have with my father. I always look into a man like what qualities my father had, and if I see any qualities of like my father had in any of the man, provided if that doesn't have any relationship also, I tell that person, I love you. Why I love you? Because I see something like, that you have some good quality in you. So I always use this word love in any relationships. See, love does not have any bad meaning to anyone. You can tell anyone you love. You can just tell your servant you love. I love you. Or you can tell anybody that I love you. So love is not defined to a boyfriend, girlfriend, or a husband, wife, or X, Y, and Z. It can be from A to Z. To anyone you can say that word, I love you. But that meaning to whom you say has to be very, very, very defined. That what is it? Why do you love that person? The person needs to understand that the person telling you I love you means to say that it has a purity in that. It does not have any hatred for it. Does not have any ill meaning to it. So please, friends, the society that we are into, we have to love each other and stay. We have to love. We need to love. Love yourself. Love everything that you do. Love your own heart. So that it starts loving everybody else. Start loving your own heart. Start loving your own self. Just say that I'm born so beautiful. I mean, I'm made to make good relationships. I'm made to love people. So say like that. So when you're made to love people, then please follow it. Let others cherish in your love. Let others glow in your love. Let others flourish in your love. So this is what I had to tell Meghna, that love is a very good concept. I love you, you love me. We all love our friends, and in relationships that we are going to grow with love. So grow with love. Don't fall in love. I repeat again, grow, rise in love. Do not fall in love. Okay, do not fall in love, grow in love. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.